Hello folks, Harmon Grant Adams with the Shanty Winnfield boat. Okay, got a new paint job on it. Decided I wasn't going to paint it white on the back. I went orange and purple. I think it's really good. Turned out good. My wife likes that color purple, so I went ahead and painted purple. And went ahead here on the side too, front of it, painted purple. Just a little purple on there. Make it look good, make it look different. Front door's the same, still got to work on it. Put a little purple on the front. Change the top. And the sides. Looks good. Got any comments? Go ahead and write me a comment about it. Appreciate it if you like and share. Thank you.